So why do markets go up on bad news? So the Federal Reserve just released the interest rate report today. They're going to increase interest rates by 0.25%. Now, obviously, for inflation, that is good news, but for the market, it's supposed to be bad news. But despite it being bad news, what happened today? The Nasdaq closed up 2%. Right now, why does this happen? Why does the market go up on bad news? It's a very, very simple answer. If the market going up on bad news doesn't tell you that the market is extremely manipulated, I don't know what else will tell you. The market is not controlled by regular retail traders like you and I. It's controlled by huge money, right? This is how powerful these institutions are. If they, the line, how there's a line on your chart where, it tells you like where the price level is at. If they had a piece of software, I guarantee, where all they do is they click that line and they want to bring the market down, they just click the line and they can drag it down. Woo! Click it again, bring it back up. Woo! That's how much power they have. It's just like they could do like automatic market orders. Oh, just drag the market down. Woo! They could literally drag it up and down at will. They're scumbags, right? Now, obviously, they know that this is bad news, and they know that shorts are going to pile onto that bad news. And now, all this is they're trying to fake all of the bears out before eventually going back down. The market will continue to fall before the end of the year. It's definitely going to go down. All this is just a way to fake out all the shorts, right? If you look at the market as if somebody's trying to literally trick you every second of the trading day, every trading day of the year, you will be ahead of most people. It's nothing but a game. It's no different than somebody being on the basketball court, right? Making you think they're going to go left, but they go right. And then they make you think they're going to go left again. And then you go right. You're like, oh, I'm not falling for that again. But then they actually go left, right? You need to just be one step ahead of these scumbags. These institutions, they are just the lowest forms of human beings in existence. They will crash the whole goddamn market if it meant just making $100 for them. I swear to God, they will. That is the main reason why markets go up on bad news. They literally are just trying to fake out the bears, right? And even with good news, right, it'll go down. It's because they're trying to fake out the bulls before eventually going back up. That's all that's happening here. They're trying to fake out the bears. You're not crazy. Times are extremely bad, right? They can't keep up this BS forever, right? Making the market go up on bad news. The government's running out of resources. There's so many resources that are just running out. Look at the TQQQ ETF, right? Look at last year's candle. It's a giant red candle. It's like down 70 or 80%. Literally, in your mind, do you think that this year it's going to somehow turn green, right? And then the next year it's going to be green again? No. And anybody who thinks that, you are literally on drugs. This is nothing but a dead cat bounce that fakes out bears. That's all it is. Markets go up on bad news to fake out bears. That's it. They go down on good news to fake out bulls short term before going back up. That's all this is. The institutions, they're faking out bears, going up a little bit, shaking all of them out before eventually the market falls again. That's all this is. It's just a big manipulation and a big game. And the sooner you realize that, the better off you'll be. And I'm not saying like go super long on bad news. Yeah. In this case, if you did, it would have worked out for you. And if you look at like the market, yeah, that's usually what happens. When bad news hits, the market usually goes up really short term, maybe for a few days, for a week, before continuing to fall. So that's all it is. It's just a shakeout. That's all it is. It's just to shake people out. So I hope that helps.